The following is a release from the People's National Party Media Unit.
This is Dr. Alfred Dawes, the opposition spokesperson on health. Today, I demand accountability for the shocking misuse of $31 million of your taxpayer dollars. SERHA's purchase of a single neuro drill at double the reasonable cost is indefensible. While our hospitals crumble, this reckless spending exposes a broken system. I met with SERHA's leadership, and their answers were alarming. Doctors were forced to choose between a $30 million drill or a $50 million drill, neither a fair price. The procurement process failed them. No competitive bids, no transparency, no proof this was in Jamaica's best option. This is not just waste. It is either gross incompetence or highly technical corruption. Meanwhile, SERHA's chairman silences critics instead of fixing the crisis. Operating theaters are shuttered, ICU beds vanish, surgeries proceed at KPH despite mold risks. This is a betrayal of patients and staff. The chairman's culture of cover-ups must end. I call for Wentworth Charles' immediate resignation. Jamaica deserves leaders who prioritize health, not squander funds while our system collapses. Is this how they choose Jamaica? We will keep fighting for transparency. Our hospitals need repairs, not overpriced equipment. People's lives depend on it. Thank you.
Implement.
Visit our website at pnp.org.jm or check us out on Facebook at Jamaica PNP.